Ayan, so once again, dito tayo sa Araneta Center, no, sa with the last 90 seconds of the finals, let's say finals, no. Mapua Cardinals will take game 1, no. Nung second quarter kasi ang lamang nila is 5, no, from previous na 6 na first quarter, tapos naging 9, ano. Ayan, so probably a few things that they need to improve on the next game is one, no. Siguro yung ano, yung kumpiyansa, no, yung hindi ka nawawalan ng gana pag nakaka-shoot yung kalaban. Pangalawa siguro ano, kailangan yung mga free throws, may shoot mo na kasi nga free throws naman din yan, especially sa crucial moments na pwedeng makabawas pa ng laban ng kalaban, ano. Tapos yung rebounds din, so medyo may kulang sila doon. Yung turnovers, no, especially yung turnovers, so marami sila doon. So, and probably the team will have to be a more cohesive team, no? Kasi kailangan yung communication, especially doon sa mga area na kailangan pagpapasa mo, ayan. So, yun siguro yung mga bagay na pwede lang improve sa next game, no? So, once again, Victor Erica for Kultura TVPH for NCAA Finals.